Hola caracoles y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Cory, I am Cory, and I am one of the teachers here at Spring Spanish. Now, amor mío, corazón, cielo de mi vida. Yeah, you guessed. Today's topic is Amor, love. Spanish has a reputation of being a romantic language. So, today, I'm going to teach you how to declare your love to that someone special, or how to impress your crush with some frases de amor bonitas, some pretty love phrases. Now, let's start. One of the first things I have to teach you is the difference between te amo and te quiero. We use both phrases to express love. However, te amo is when you express your feelings for somebody who is closer to you, maybe tus padres, tus hermanos, tus hijos, your parents, your siblings, your children, people really close to your heart. And te quiero means more like I care about you. Literally, it means I want you. You know, we use it also to talk about friends, to talk about close people. It's just not as intense as te amo, but of course you can always use it. And you can also say te amo pizza. You know, I love you pizza, and declare your love for that. That's also good. On a first date, you can always say me gustas. I like you. Hell, you can even say me gustas mucho. I like you a lot. But please don't say te amo in the first date. I love you, because it might get a little bit extraño, weird, or incómodo, uncomfortable. So that's a tip you get from me. Muy bien. Now let's see some examples. Mamá, te amo. Cory ama a Jagger. Now, if you notice there, we use a preposition to talk about the person or the doggy we love. Cory ama a Jagger. Or the translation would be Cory loves to Jagger. Quiero mucho a mis amigos. Me gustas mucho. Te amo, querida. If you want to impress your significant other with your new Spanish, you have to learn how to call them. For example, Esposa is a wife. Marido o Esposo for a husband. Novio is boyfriend. Novia is for girlfriend. Or you can only say pareja, partner. Tired of using baby? Darling is well enough. Why don't you use some expresiones en español, Spanish expressions? For example, mi vida, my life. Corazón mío, my heart. Mi cielo. Now, this means my sky, but believe me, we Latins, we like it. What another one? Oh, my favorite, mi rey, my king, or mi reina, my queen. Ahora dime, now tell me, ¿cuál es tu favorito? What's your favorite? Let's keep impressing our friends or loved ones by saying more sentences like this. For example, te extraño mucho. ¿Quieres ser mi novia? ¿Quieres ser mi novio? Me tienes encantado. Me has robado el corazón. Estoy loca por ti. Estoy loco por ti. ¿Te puedo dar un beso? Depending on the country where you are, you can use or remove the possession word mi, as in mi amor, or mi corazón, my love, my heart. In some Latin American countries like Mexico or Colombia or Venezuela, it is common to call mi amor to friends, not only to your partner or also to the people that you're talking to. Whether, for example, in Spain, first they remove the mi from mi amor, so it's more like amor or corazón. And also, they don't really call amor to other people, just to very, very, very close people to them, either their partners or their children. Another small difference is how to say I miss you. As you saw, in Latin America, we normally say te extraño. But in Spain, it's more common to use the phrase te echo de menos, which is actually more similar to what it says in English, I miss you, I'm missing you. So you can say it both ways. Muy bien! Now you can be romantic, or you can express love for your beloved ones, or the crush, or pizza, or your puppy. So I hope you had a lot of fun. And now es tu turno. It's your turn. Tell me, what was your favorite sentence? Or ¿has usado alguna de estas frases antes? Have you used any of these sentences before? Tell me in the comments. I really want to read you. Now, if you are ready to take it a step further and you're serious about learning Spanish, we have a free Spanish training on our website where you will discover the method that we use at our Spring Spanish Academy to have you speak in Spanish super rápido, super fast. So you can also learn some free samples for Spanish lessons. So please go and click the link in the description to subscribe, to sign up, and thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. I did, and hasta la próxima. Y gracias totales. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the video with your friends.